Start your JSON server also. Where is JSON server? In JSON server, oh, we have not done anything, right? In JSON server, you have created anything? No. JSON server folder. Okay, hold on. Okay, data.json was there directly. Data.json was here only. This one. So we have stored some data here and what we try to access. Okay, so here in API folder again you have to write JSON server space -- watch space data.json space -- code 1 2 3 4. First start your JSON server. Start the server. Oh, hello. 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 Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next after this, JSON server started. Sequence, start the JSON server first. Next, after this, come to your index file, do the right click, open with live server. Okay, so this 3 was working, correct? Check now, this 3 is working. Next, we need to understand how we can add the new user. Like user list is coming here. You should start your JSON server, then try it. Okay, now we need to work on adding the user. How we can add a new user? We are working for everyone. Working. Yours, this data list happening or not? Last class you have attended. Start the JSON server. Run index to file through live server. JSON server, have we started? Show me. And where you started? Maybe after that, index to file is correct only. CLS YF test there. Control C press 2 times. Again I start server. It is here. Now go there, replace your browser. Replace. Click on user list. Next. Last week it was working. Open the code. For now. It's correct only. It should work. Replace again. Click on product user. Right click. Go to console. Console. Come to the again CMD. CMD. Minus. Large data is a minus. It's around port number you have not written properly. Yeah. Port or part, what is that? It should be port. Control C again. Why not make a note? Huh? Why you mistake it? Go and write a note first, then do next one. Check it out again. Replace your page. Replace it. Click on user list. Again, do the right click. Click on console. What is saying? My app is not defined for my user list. Come to CMD again. report number. Something else is running. What's your file name? Data.json. Where you are running? Go to CMD. Close it. Go to the JSON server folder, the JavaScript API folder. API folder, open CMD. It's already in API only. Open CMD. So many data.json you have here. Double click on data. Come here. Click on data.json. Go to the again folder. Open again CMD. Type again JSON server minus server space minus watch 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 space here file name data.json space minus port space 1 2 3 4 enter. Now refresh the browser. Refresh it. Click on that city list, user list. Write a note how to start server in your notebook. Okay, so the product, city, user are coming from where? This file, from the data.json file. Okay. Now, in this file again, when we click on new, it should go to the another page. Come to the index2.js file, HTML file. Right here, new user.html. New user.html. Right. Create a file new user.html. Okay. New user.html file from HTML head. Then a style, what a style script. Down below, body, h1, add new user, line as a center. Create a table. For new user, what you need? What are the field we have? We have only name. No need to create table. Just write a p tag. Enter full name. Next p tag. Write a button text box. Input type equal to text. ID equal to ID equal to f name. Write a p tag button area. One click equal to align equal to center. It's will come civil, right? Right, check now. Then you click on name where it is going. Page will appear like this. Okay, complete this much. Yeah. So form is ready. Now whatever the name you enter here and click on save button, click on save button, it will go and store in this file. In file, this file, data.json file. We have added here 3 users. Right, similar way, one more user will keep adding in the last. automatically through the JavaScript. How it will be, you will remember it. Okay, important for future. Write a function call save. Okay, take the value of text box, variable full name equal to document dot get element by ID, which ID fname dot value. Okay, now come down, alert full name. Hello, hello. Yeah, tell me, sir. Okay, okay. Wait for some 10-15 minutes. Some other person will call you. Okay, so getting alert. Now come, what other changes are required? We need to write here a variable data equal to how you have stored here. You can copy one line and paste here. Like this. And at the place of name, you will keep full name. Yeah. Then you will remove the ID. Server will generate the ID automatically. ID is not required. Only name you can post here. Next, after this, you need to have write the next variable post option. Or maybe post data. Headers. Then methods. Then body. 3 parameter is required. Header, method, and body. Method will be by default, not by default. We have to mention called post. Then inside the body, you will pass. You have to convert this array into JSON. You will write here in JSON.stringify. Which one? Data value. Okay, got it. Now go under the headers. You have to write called content hyphen type. Application/JSON. This 3 parameter is required every time. So now we are posting the data. So we are given the method as a post. We are sending the data in JSON format. So we have written called headers application JSON. Content type will be JSON format. And here, this is the array in the form of this data you have in the form of array. Here you are converting array to JSON. Array to JSON. Array to JSON. Okay, written. Come down. Next is called fetch function. Is in fetch function in the same URL where you are fetching the data. Here you have written no user list. This URL you can copy URL and store in a variable first. Variable URL This one. User list. So this becomes a location. Here we are going to send the data. Below you will write URL, comma, post data. URL, comma, post data. After that, then response.json again dot then something server response you can write. Then below you can write alert user added successfully. User added successfully. Write it. Okay, ready? Next, we'll try to add it. Okay. First, you give one more hyperlink below. Let me share this function. That function code is in chat. Okay, after button, write one more p tag. Index 2. Back to user list. Back to user list. Okay, check now. Data is saving. Will give him that laptop. That ACU. No. ACU person was using the laptop. He was not. He is not. That is given to him. And he will sit in that room. One Suresh will sit in the another table, long table. And one more small table is there in the same room. He will sit there. We'll give him joining form. Okay. 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 So we are giving that table. Okay. We'll also submit that. So next after that, we will guide him, but let him to sit and give the lab. Okay. And then we'll see application.
Please tell them to take the list of the company's names, numbers, and everything for
From there, from internet. Yes, that we will do. That's our order already it will come to me. Okay, so back to list means it will come here. Now let us see, save a user, call something, run wait save, user added. If I go to the list, I should see run wait should be here. New user, Alex, save it. Then back to list, you can see Alex is here. It's getting added. Whatever you add in the new user, that should go to the user list. Even it will get added in your JSON file. In JSON file, you have created data.json. In that, it will keep adding in the last. Right? Happening, saving or not? A spelling mistake, check this. Headers, how you are written, a small or capital. Header is small. A small headers. HEADR is a small, not capital. Saving. Let me know in the chat if data is saving or not. Alert. Compare करो just 3-4 lines only. Saving video.
நம்மளே வந்துட்டான் போலடா.
Then streaming results. No, wait, HEABERS content type application made a content type, content dot type. Line number 10. Code will be same in the React also. That code will be same in React also. Some other syntax will get changed. So don't forget it. Remember, each and every word have a meaning. Okay. All will come to this JSON file, data.json. It is stored here in the last. It will keep adding in the last. Adding in the last. Okay. So now, right here, window dot location dot href equal to index2.html. This will auto reload, auto redirect, auto redirect to list page. Auto redirect to list page. Window.location.href. It will redirect automatically to that listing page. Next, after this, we need to delete the record. Okay, we should delete the record. Window.location.href used to redirect the page from one page to other page. See, save happen. Should redirect? Okay, redirection not happen. Where we are going? Index 2. This is new user. Okay, copy this complete URL and paste here. Complete URL to copy and paste here. Index 2 complete URL copy and paste here. No redirection will happen. I will check once. Should work. Not doing. Wait. It's coming on the same page. Index 2 is there, no? Index 2 we have window.location.href equal to http. Correct. It should go to the index 2 file. Save. Current page is getting reloaded. Yes. We try the syntax. No. No. But this URL this used to window.location.href used to redirect in JavaScript from one page to other page. Let me show you what is the use of this. Why not? I don't know. But the idea. In JavaScript. Return the current page href. Yes. Post name something else. Window.location object something else. It says here window.location.href return the URL of the current page. Okay. href equal to We try this syntax. Window.location.assign. Index 2. After saving the data, it should redirect automatically to that page. Index 2. That's the requirement. What happened? Let me get the food URL. Fine. Okay, so problem is not this one. Problem is of alert. Okay. Remove alert and then enable this line. Again. Okay. Just give the file name index. Now redirecting. Check once redirection happens or not. User list will come, it will display all the data. We need to provide a delete button here. Once you click on delete, it should get removed. Come to index 2 file. In index 2 file. So this line we have written index 2. In index 2 file now. In index 2 file, where you are in the first function user list, get user, we have to write a delete button also inside. Write the br, or let's modify this line better. This much in one line. Again, data plus equal to, keep this content, put semicolon. So paragraph open in the first line, paragraph close in the last line. Okay. Paragraph open, paragraph close. First line p tag open, second line p tag is closed. The still output remains same. Output will be same. Now add the button here. Data plus equal to BR. Write a button. Delete. Close the button. Okay, check now. We'll get button everywhere. In list, button is coming. Delete. Now on this click of the delete, on click equal to call a function called del user. Del user. Del user. Do plus plus user info dot id. User info dot id. Okay, check now. Write a function below del user. Del user. We can write in the last. So this button you arrange. BR button. Okay. Del user function. Come down. Last end of the page you will write here in the script. Del user. Write user ID and alert also. User ID alert also. ID is coming. On button click. On button click. We are getting that ID 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? Something like this. Now come. URL you have to write here. User list. / plus user ID. Complete this line. Down below again. You can use this line. Post data equal to headers again. Content type and type. Then application / JSON. Then method delete. Next only below now we can write the fetch function. In fetch function we'll pass the URL comma post data. Post data. Dot then let's post dot JSON. The response alert record deleted successfully. After that you will call again to get user function to reload the list. To reload the list after delete. After delete. Reload the list after delete. Delete happening. Let's go ahead. See what it is here. I will delete the Alex. Alex will go from the list. Okay, Alex gone, but list has to reload now. So function callback is not happening. Is going back somewhere again. If I remove alert, and then page is getting reload. Oh, problem is not that. Page is getting reload automatically. Why? Because we have created the data.json file within the folder. So what will happen whenever you do modification on any data, your page will get reload. Because of that, it's not going to the action page. Okay, so this is fine, no problem. You call it on page load. You can call this function. No need to call here. Let's put alert variable. Data delete will happen. Alert put here. After alert, on body load. On load equal to, you can call this get user function on load. So whenever the page will reload, get user function will call. Whenever the page will reload, get user function automatically. This delete will happen, you are no doubt in that, but your current page will get refreshed. Reason you are we have created a data.json within same folder. Because of that, current page will get reload. Entire server will be reload and your current page will be refreshed. Check now. List will come by default. Reload. The data will be replaced. Same page will be reloaded. This data is going to the JSON server. Data.json file you have created. The data is going in data.json file here. It's getting added and removed. Whatever the data you will add today, you can see tomorrow also. Because if it is in the separate file, it will not remove, it will be there only. Okay, so delete working. While deleting, what data we pass, look at here. You have to call the same URL, but in that plus ID is required, user ID. Which user you want to delete? That user ID we need to append in the last. That user ID we need to append in the now I'll save the file, index2 file, index2 file, as well as new user file. Both is sent in your chat. Item.js also, not item data.json. So I sent you in the chat. You can use that file. It's not working.